Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can fix if Google account is not syncing on your phone. See, when there are sync errors, you won't receive any new emails. Your Google related service won't work properly. So in order to clear all the sync errors, open your Gmail account or Gmail app on your mobile, and here you'll find this top profile picture at right top. You need to tap on this, and here click on manage accounts on this device. Okay, here choose any account which you want to clear the sync issues. See here account sync. See here account sync. Tap on this account sync, and here you can sync 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 6 items at a time. See here there is a small sync sort of thing here, right? What you can do is you can disable this and then enable it. Now the syncing is starting here, syncing now. Likewise you can turn this off and turn this on, so now you are syncing the contacts. And likewise press on the back button again, do it for another Gmail account and repeat the same process. So now you can restart your computer once to clear all the sync related issues. Now your sync issues will be solved. If it is not yet solved, what you can do, again open the Gmail app on your mobile, the same process. Click on this profile picture, click on manage accounts and choose the email ID and click on this remove account and add it again. Add the Gmail account again to the phone. Now each and every issues will be cleared. In this way you can fix the sync issues on the Gmail or the Google account easily within 2 minutes. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.